Hey y'all, so today we're going to be doing Skincare 101. Technically it's my second video, but we're going to call it 101 anyway because we are starting with a new skincare line. So today's lineup is going to be composed of a black owned brand that I am very excited to use because when I saw like their advertising and marketing, I was like blown away by it. So this skincare line is called Buttah, like literally Buttah, like Buttah. So I actually love how they're marketing the product, and not only that, but the packaging, y'all, is just genius. Not only genius, but it's just also very appealing. And not to mention, this is also for my guys because this is unisex, y'all. Unisex. So that means for guys and girls, you can use this. So it doesn't really come with any strong fragrances, so you don't feel like you're gonna smell like a lady or like a man. First, show you guys how it looks and how it's coming straight out of the packaging when I received it, y'all. So this is how Buttah came to me in the mail, and this is made by Dorian. So I'm so excited, especially black owned stuff. So I'm really trying to switch over a lot of my skincare routine, even some of my makeup products, some more black owned things, just to kind of transition and see what works. And honestly, y'all, this has been working. Like, y'all, my skin actually does look like Buttah. Y'all see that glow? So luckily y'all catch me on a good day because y'all catch me with my hair actually halfway done and my skin looking pretty good today. So anyway, here is what it comes with. It comes with a set of instructions, y'all, literally step by step, 3 steps. It's also priced at $60, and y'all might think, man, that seems like a lot, but you come with 3 good products that we're gonna break down later in this video. So first it's starting off with a cleanser, and then it's going to move on to a vitamin C serum, which is kind of the main reason why I got it, because I love serums. They add so much to your skin. They give you that glow that everybody looks for, and it also just helps even out your skin tone. And then lastly, a special thing that a lot of other brands don't carry is a facial shea butter. So it's literally not really a moisturizer. It's like a moisturizer, a oil, a grease, like everything all in one, and it's pretty much raw, so I mean it comes really good. But this is how it came in this beautiful package. I see the little straw. This is, shout out to marketing for that. That's super cute. But I'm gonna start with a cleanser. So of course just a regular facial cleanser. Has a slight scent to it, but not really anything. It's clear moisture, and then it's a pop cap. So we're gonna start with this facial wash and jump right on in, y'all. So after dampening my face to get ready for this facial wash that I have right here, y'all. So with this, it is telling us to add a penny size of this facial wash to your face. For me, actually, it's been more like double a penny size. So I'll show you guys how much I'm going to be adding it onto my face. Do more about like this amount. I'm just going to cover my finger, so. Like I said, about 30 seconds to a minute and you guys will be good to go. So now I'm just gonna go rinse this off my face so I don't look as crazy on camera for y'all. It definitely doesn't leave my skin feeling dry. Typically in between all of my products, I give it about at least a minute or 2, especially after facial wash. I'll give it about a minute before I start adding any other products on. Okay, y'all, so after I have finished washing my face with our facial wash, we're going to get into our second step, which is going to be our vitamin C serum. So I'll just read a little bit about it and the instructions. So we're going to be applying 4 to 5 drops on freshly dried, cleansed skin. You can also put it on your face, your neck, your chest, or any problem areas because it's good for basically all over your skin. And then we're going to allow it to absorb for about 1 minute after we apply it. So 4 to 5 drops, y'all. For some reason, I just love vitamin C so much, y'all. It does something to my skin. So typically I do add about 7 drops. Instead of about that 4 to 5, I do about 7 drops in that case. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is it right here once again. You usually don't need any more than that to get all your drops in. So hopefully I don't put this in my eye this time. We'll see. I didn't count how many drops I did because honestly I really just do drops for coverage just to make sure it covers everything. So I really just want to cover my face and get all the important areas. It starts soaking in really fast, so move a little quick, little urgency. like all serums, I know when I first started using serums, I did not know that serums, they tend to feel just a little sticky, or you feel like you have residue in your fingers. That's nothing to be concerned about. It ends up absorbing into your skin. That's like when they do want you to wait a certain time period before adding anything else, so that means your skin can soak it up. So we're gonna give it this extra minute for the serum to do its job. This has only been like a minute after we've applied it, and I already feel like I'm seeing like a good reflection, good glowness to my skin. This is something that's gonna help even your skin tone, take away any dark spots. So it does a lot of variety of things for your skin that you probably wouldn't think of, and that's how come that's one of my favorite products. Okay, y'all, so it has been about 3 to 5-ish minutes. I really wasn't keeping up, to be honest, after I've used that serum. So you do have to allow it to stand for a little bit. Per instructions, it told you only 1 minute. My skin's already looking good, like 10 out of 10, and I'm not even on the 3rd step yet. So now we're gonna move into our 3rd product that's gonna help finish up our face, which is our Shea Butter, y'all. So for our facial Shea Butter is telling us to add a dime size amount to your fingertips, and then you're gonna warm the products in your palms. And then after that, you're just basically gonna massage it in generously over the face. So that's per instructions of Buttah. Once again, this is how our Shea Butter looks. Insides is actually not very creamy, so that's like you do have to really like warm it up, like they say. So when they say about a dime size, actually is a little bit less, because honestly, y'all, when this thing starts to spread, it spreads very easily. You don't want to overdo it at all. So honestly, like, I'm gonna show y'all how much I'm applying. That's about how much I'm applying. I promise you, this little bit right here, y'all see on my hand, it will do its job. I promise. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's already starting to get greasy just by it being warmed in my hand. Just gonna warm it up. This is how my hands look right now, and this is how we're gonna start applying it. You're just gonna really just make sure I catch all my face. And if you guys are sensitive to any fragrances or any smells, this product probably has the strongest scent out of all of the products. However, I mean, I think it's raw material, raw shea butter, so it is gonna have like that smell of shea butter. So this is the thing that smells the strongest out of all the products. You have more than enough product to make sure all your faces. And that's like when I say you don't need a lot. I mean, like, if you really want more, you could use more. But honestly, when he says like use a dime size amount, like a small amount, you can use that, because a little goes a long way with this. And that's another reason why I like this product. Like, if you can get like good quality and you can get a lot of product, a lot of bang for your buck, like, you can't beat that. Get a little closer so y'all actually see like it's really doing good, and it's not even done yet. And like I said, it really does get down to your skin. It really works very effectively. It works quickly. That's what I love about it. So I finished sharing these amazing products in this full skincare kit from Buttah. I am hoping that you guys will like it just as much I've loved it, and this is the final result on my face. I've let it sit for about 10 minutes now after I've applied all my products. My skin feels very moisturized. It feels like the moisture is trapped in my skin. It feels very refreshing. It does not feel heavy. Altogether, I absolutely love this whole skincare kit and how it collaborates with each other. I think it's definitely a different outlook on regular skincare kits, because usually we don't really get to see shea butter. We don't get to see a specific serum. Like, it'll just be maybe like a general serum, but this one is a vitamin C one that we know is good for our skin. So it has a lot of different aspects to it, and most importantly, like I said, it is unisex. So there are a lot of good things that come out of this skincare kit, and I was very excited to share it with you guys, to show you guys how much I love it, and then also to let you guys know like how you can get this beautiful skin. And I will make sure and keep you guys updated as I keep using it to see if I see any more clearing of my skin and any more even skin tone. And as always, y'all better keep up with Kenitra and catch me for my next video. Next one will probably be a makeup video, but then again, you never know. So as always, keep up with me, y'all.